This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, a bit road planner, Kempower and bilkomponenter. Yo, what's up? We are still at the eCarExpo and today I'm going to show you guys Renault 5. You know, well, it's called a Renault R5, but you know, my very first car I got from my mom, she purchased it for me, 10,000 NOK in the year of 2001, I think it was, 24 years ago, was a turquoise Renault 5, 1.4 liter natural aspirated gas engine, and it was epic in many ways. And then it is now reborn, electric. Oh man, do I have lots of memories from the Renault 5. Okay, charge port is here. And also, in case you guys don't know it, Renault 5 was just crowned car of the year. So it must be good. What the heck is this? There's actually a little dent up here where you have the battery 5. Okay, interesting. Let me see. Let me check under the hood. Oh, the interior here resembles Megane. And also the Renault 4 R4. Let's check. Oh, it lights up. Oh, is this showing state of charge? Seems to be around 60%. Let me see. Yeah, we are 50%. Really? I'm not sure if I want to tell everyone my state of charge in the hood. But okay. Okay, there's a... let me find it. There's a little thing. Here you see the engine. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, they are charging 12 volt. It's just the way they are on press. I mean, on the events. But no frunk. And actually quite big boxes. I wonder if this has 22 kilowatt onboard charger. The French, they tend to like that. But yeah, so it seems to be... What is it, front wheel drive? I haven't done my homework. Yeah, it's front wheel drive, just like the classic Renault 5 was. But yeah, oh, I can see the back. Yeah, they kept the shape of the Renault 5 in the back. Man, I used to have a 12-inch 7 Vega subwoofer in the trunk. I don't know how the heck I could fit it in here. But yeah, here we do have okay space. But how do you open this thing here? I'm struggling to open. There, okay. And there's a tiny little room here to put stuff. Yeah, well, I mean, everything counts. So you can put some of the cables there, but it's kind of bare bone. It doesn't even have hooks for securing cargo here. Wait, it almost seems like the Renault 5 here is smaller than the Renault 4 over there. Well, I mean, it was probably always like that, right? So it seems to have that small trunk like the classic Renault 5 also had. Okay, it's just manual trunk there. And then let's check out in the car. Okay, voila. Nice. You know, it's not always about the biggest battery, the most power. It's about driving, the icon. Oh yeah. Same here, kind of. Okay, we have 12 volt outlet in the front. We have 2 USB-C. We have the wireless charging pad here. Cup holders here. A tiny center console there. Yeah, some ambient lights. Here we have the screen. Yeah, it's Android based. So it kind of resembles some of the other Renaults I've seen. Yeah, air vents like this. I heard that this car is fun to drive. Oh yeah, it has the Renault here. This is for volume control and so on. Yeah, I also had this in the Renault Laguna. I had the Laguna 1 and Laguna 2. But here also you have this interesting, is it easy to show you? There, it's like that roof liner is like this. Actually okay space. Well, let me go lower if it's possible. Yeah, it's already in the lowest position. So you have roughly a fist of clearance. Still good space. I'm 173 centimeters. All right. And this mirror with some lights. So even though it's kind of bare bone, it still has some nice features, some buttons even. It has a Zoe style opening here. Yeah, I actually don't remember how it was in the classic Renault 5. Was it actually like this before? Maybe it was so many years ago. You know? But okay, here, how much space do we have? Oh, it's kind of tight, but I remember also that the classic Renault 5 was tight. Yeah. Yeah, okay, you can kind of put your feet under the front seat. Here there's nothing, no USB, whatever. You're not supposed to use USB in here. We have these nice Isofix Oh, yeah, lids at least. And then what about here? Okay, middle, no stuff here. Oh, headroom, not a fist, around 2 or 3 fingers. What about in the middle seat? Oh, there I'm more or less just rubbing into the headlight. Maybe 1 or 2 fingers of clearance here also. Door closing sound. Well, sounds okay. Yeah, I remember the old one. You could see the metal in the inside also. And the turquoise that I had was also shown in the inside. So that was the first impression of the Renault 5. Eventually I should borrow it and test it, do 1,000 kilometer challenge, all that stuff. Can't wait to see. It's just, you can see the spec, you know, it's not the fastest, it's not the fastest charging, it's not the biggest battery, but it's just an icon has been reborn. Okay, anyway, I think that's gonna be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.